Hello everyone, this is Abhinesh Krishnan. Welcome to my another video. I hope everyone is doing good. Well, in today's video, I just thought of sharing some updates about Immigration New Zealand released about Essential Skills Work Visa. So currently, Essential Skills Work Visa, there was an update from Immigration, which is if you're earning around $27, you would be able to extend your visa for 3 years. And if it's below $27, you would get 2 years of visa. That's what the change which they have updated. And accreditation policy for businesses, which is being extended till July 2022. And currently, if you're working for an employer under Essential Skills Work Visa, you can extend your visa without any making any job advert or any other process. Like previously, it used to be a job advert which needs to be advertised. You don't need to advertise a job advert, or also no medical certificate evidence or police clearance certificate needs to be produced for Immigration New Zealand to apply for a work visa. So if you do work for an employer under Essential Skills Work Visa, there is no restrictions to extend your visa at this moment. The changes is, like, if you are earning $27, you would get 3 years work visa. Below $27, you get 2 years work visa. And there is no need to provide a medical certificate proof or accreditation from the business or police clearance certificate. So currently you will be able to extend your visa without any restrictions. That's what the update from Immigration. And the accreditation process from Immigration has been extended till next year, July 2022. The reason is there is labor shortages occurring in New Zealand at this moment, and to fill up this thing, they have come up to this idea. And I hope this would be good news for everyone who is in Essential Work Visa and also are trying to apply for an Essential Work Visa. You no longer need to advertise at this moment. That's what the update from Immigration New Zealand. And they are trying to fix up things at this moment with this extension period for migrants. So currently, due to this accreditation process, the people who are not able to support, there are different businesses who are not able to support visas, and so and so reason, like people have started moving to other countries. That's what the reason for this extension at this moment. So hopefully a good news from little bit of good news from Immigration New Zealand. And I'm waiting for skilled migrant category, like resident visa, which is not yet done. Like there is no update about skilled migrant category resident visa at this moment. I hope they release it soon and everything gets better. And also there are measures being taken to give border exceptions for people who are waiting from outside. I hope everything goes well. That's what I just want to share in this video. See you soon with another update. Bye bye.